Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Today, Grse Shipbuilders and Shakti received new order. We'll discuss about that. We'll see the profit and loss account for both the companies and we'll check the trading view chart for the next target. Let's get started. As for the BSE website, Grse Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited today received an order for construction and delivery of ocean research vehicle for National Center of Polar and Ocean Research. That's the press release. Details of the order says that construction of delivery of one ocean research vessel ORV, that is the order all about, and National Center for Polar Ocean Research, Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India, that's the party from where the order has been received. About the duration, 42 months and approx 840 crores worth of order received by Grse Shipyard. We are now in Skinner.com, where it says the Grse Shipbuilders is a premier shipbuilding company in India under the administrative control of Ministry of Defence, primarily catering to the shipbuilding requirement of Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. And Grse is diversified profit making and the first shipyard in the country. It is the first shipyard, yes, to export warships and deliver 100 warships to the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard. That's about the Grse company profile. By looking at the chart, we can see it's a 1-year chart and the price is currently trading far ahead on 50 DMA as well as 200 DMA. Pros and cons: company has reduced the debt, it's almost debt free, expected to have a good quarter, we'll see that. 26.5% CAGR over 5 years, very nice finance condition, and healthy dividend payout also for 30%. It's trading 17 times of its book value and earning include other income 300 crores, that is in the profit and loss statement. Cochin Shipyard, Gen Technology, Taneja Aerospace, those are the peers of Grse Shipyard. We have Madstock also in the peer company, which is not listed here. And if we see the P ratio of Grse, that is 82.05, which is less than industry P. That's a good thing. Quarterly results suggest last December 2023 it was 923 crore of sales, which increased 1016 in March 24, and net profit also increased drastically from 88 to 112. If we see year on year, March 23 the sale was 601, which is now 1000 plus, and the profit was 55 crore 1 year before, which is now 112 crore in March 2024. Shareholding pattern: promoters, maximum is held by Ministry of Defence, that is Indian government, which is remain as it is for year on year. FYI actually increased the stake in this company. It was 3.26 in March 2024. Now by June 2024 it increased by 0.7%. Let's see the chart in trading view. This is weekly chart and I have drawn a pipeline view, channel view by which Grse was going through. It actually crossed that in month of June itself and now trading much higher. So there is a chance it may touch down to this level 1820, or it may goes ahead with this flow. In that case 2562, that is the current price, and 2833, around 300 rupees from now, should be the nearby target. Next company, Shakti Pump, very renowned company in the pumping section. As for the BSE website, Shakti Pump Limited has received order from Maharashtra Energy Department Agency for 1200 number of off-grid pumping system for various locations across Maharashtra under PM Kusum scheme, and the valuation of the order is 33.47 crore. Little more detail about the order: design, manufacture, supply, transport, installation, testing, commissioning, everything is included in the order within 120 days period from the date of issue of the order, means from today around 4 months, and the order valuation is 33.47 crore. In Skinner website, it says Shakti Pump is primarily engaged in manufacturing of pumps, motors of various kinds. It also offers advanced water pumping solution to a wide range of applications such as irrigation, horticulture, domestic water supply, commercial, industrial application. The brand Shakti is well received in the domestic and international market. As what the chart suggests, it is much higher than the 50 and 200 DMA, but it is coming down towards the 50 DMA. That's what the line says. Kirloskar Brothers, KSB Pumps, Roto Pump, they are the peers of Shakti Pump. P ratio is 59.33, which is more than industry P. That's a negative thing, higher valuation. Quarterly result, last year March 2023, 183 crore of sell, which increased to 609 crore in March 2024. And if I say December 2023, it was around 500, which has become 600 now. Net profit last quarter to latest quarter is just double, 45 become 90. And if I see March 2023, it was only 2 crore of profit, which become 90 crore. So almost 45 times jumps. These are the data days. Last year it was 92 days. Now it become almost double, 178 days. That's the cons we just discussed about the company. Shareholding pattern, promoter remains same, at least last March 2024, now June 2024, no change. But if I see the year wise, there is a reduction. That is also a cons, 4.6% down from last year. And FYI actually increased it from 0.77 to 2.33, and year on year it was 0.39 to 2.32. So there is a huge increase in the FYI section. This is the monthly chart of Shakti Pump. Again, I have drawn a channel pattern which got broken. So there is a chance it may retest or it may go ahead along with this journey. So immediate target as per me will be 4699, around 4700. Currently the stock is trading in 4189. So around 500 to 600 point we can see in this stock. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.